As the crisp air of autumn begins to roll in, there's something so comforting about transforming your home into a cozy farmhouse retreat. Imagine the scent of cinnamon candles wafting through the air, the warmth of soft blankets draped over a vintage wooden bench, and the sight of pumpkins nestled by the front door. Fall is the perfect time to embrace the charm and simplicity of farmhouse decor, a style that embodies warmth, comfort, and a touch of rustic elegance. Whether you live in the heart of the countryside or the middle of the city, these farmhouse decor ideas will bring the essence of fall right into your home. So, grab a warm cup of cider, get comfortable, and let's dive into some inspiring ways to make your home feel like a cozy autumn farmhouse, brimming with charm and character. Ready to transform your space? Let's get started. One of the cornerstones of farmhouse decor is its connection to nature. Start by bringing the outdoors in, using natural elements that echo the beauty of fall. Think dried wheat stalks, autumn leaves, and even branches from your backyard. Place these in large mason jars or rustic metal buckets for a classic farmhouse look. You can also scatter pine cones and acorns on tabletops or in decorative bowls. These simple additions not only bring a touch of nature indoors but also create a sense of harmony and tranquility. Don't forget to incorporate some seasonal fruits and vegetables like pumpkins, gourds, and apples. A wooden crate filled with these autumnal treasures can serve as a charming centerpiece on your dining table or as a warm welcome by the entryway. Your entryway sets the tone for your home, so make it a welcoming space that reflects the season and your style. Start with a sturdy wooden bench where guests can sit and take off their shoes. Add a few cozy throw pillows in fall colors and a basket underneath for storage. A vintage coat rack or hooks on the wall can hold scarves and jackets. A simple wooden table or console can be decorated with a vase of fall flowers, a pumpkin or two, and a scented candle. A fall-themed doormat and a wreath on the door will complete the look, ensuring that anyone who steps into your home immediately feels the warmth and coziness of the season. Fall is all about warmth, so make sure your home feels inviting by layering cozy textiles. Opt for chunky knit blankets, plaid throws, and soft pillows in earthy tones like rust, mustard, and forest green. Mix and match different textures to create depth and interest. Think velvet pillows paired with a cable knit blanket or a wool throw draped over a linen sofa. Don't forget about rugs. A plush, braided rug can add a layer of comfort and make any space feel instantly warmer. When it comes to farmhouse decor, the idea is to create an inviting space that you and your guests will want to sink into and stay a while. So, pile on the textiles, and don't be afraid to mix patterns and materials to achieve the perfect cozy farmhouse vibe. Rustic furniture is key to achieving that farmhouse aesthetic. Look for pieces with a worn, vintage feel. Think distressed wood, metal accents, and simple, sturdy designs. A reclaimed wood coffee table, an antique farmhouse dining table, or a vintage wooden bench can instantly transform your space. Pair these with metal accents like galvanized steel vases or iron candle holders to enhance the rustic charm. Farmhouse style is all about practicality and comfort, so opt for furniture that is both functional and stylish. And don't worry if everything doesn't match perfectly. Farmhouse decor is known for its eclectic, collected over time look. The goal is to create a space that feels lived in and loved. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and this is especially true in farmhouse decor. To create a cozy, farmhouse-style kitchen, start with open shelving to display your collection of ceramic dishes, glass jars filled with spices, and wooden cutting boards. Incorporate vintage-inspired accents like an apron sink, a rustic wooden island, or a barn-style light fixture. Don't forget to add some seasonal touches. A wreath made of wheat or eucalyptus hung on a cabinet door, a vase filled with fresh autumn flowers, or a bowl of apples on the countertop. These little details will not only make your kitchen feel warm and welcoming, but will also capture the essence of fall. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your farmhouse-style home. To create that warm, inviting glow, incorporate different sources of light, such as table lamps, lanterns, and candles. Vintage-style lanterns with LED candles can create a cozy ambience on your porch or in your living room. String lights are another great way to add a touch of magic and warmth. Drape them over a mantel, along a staircase, or across the ceiling beams for a whimsical, twinkling effect. Candles are also a must-have. Choose scents like pumpkin spice, apple cider, or vanilla to fill your home with the aromas of fall. These lighting elements will not only brighten up your space but also add to the overall coziness of your farmhouse decor. If you're loving these cozy farmhouse decor ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know your favorite way to decorate for fall. We love hearing your ideas, and it helps us bring you more content that you love. Your porch is the first thing guests see, so make it a welcoming space with farmhouse decor. Start by adding a cozy seating area with a wooden bench or a pair of rocking chairs. Layer on some fall-themed pillows and throws for comfort. Add a rustic touch with a wooden crate filled with pumpkins and gourds, and place a lantern with a flameless candle next to it for a warm, inviting glow. A fall wreath on the door, made from natural elements like wheat, corn husks, or autumn leaves, adds a finishing touch. Don't forget the classic fall doormat with a fun or welcoming message. These elements will create a charming, farmhouse-inspired porch that invites you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of fall. Your living room is the perfect place to highlight seasonal farmhouse decor. Swap out regular throw pillows for those in fall-inspired hues like burnt orange, deep red, and golden yellow. Consider pillows with patterns like plaid, buffalo check, or autumn leaves for added interest. Drape a cozy knit blanket over your sofa or armchair to invite snuggling on chilly evenings. Incorporate a few vintage pieces like a wooden coffee table or a metal milk can turned into a side table. Layering different textures and materials will create a rich, inviting space. Don't forget to update your mantle decor. A mix of candles, small pumpkins, and a garland of autumn leaves will create a warm and welcoming focal point. Accessorizing is key to bringing your farmhouse vision to life. Start with classic farmhouse items like galvanized metal trays, mason jars, and ceramic pitchers. Use these as vases, utensil holders, or even just as decorative pieces. Wooden dough bowls filled with seasonal items like pine cones, small pumpkins, or dried corn cobs make great centerpieces. Don't shy away from using antiques or items with a bit of history. An old clock, a vintage lantern, or a collection of old books can add character and warmth to your space. The key is to use items that feel authentic and lived in, creating a space that feels inviting and full of stories. As the leaves begin to turn and the air grows crisp, there's no better time to transform your home into a cozy autumn retreat with farmhouse decor. Whether you're adding natural elements, layering cozy textiles, or incorporating rustic furniture, the key is to create a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of charm. Farmhouse decor is all about embracing simplicity, comfort, and the beauty of the natural world. So, as you decorate for fall, remember to make it personal, add elements that bring you joy, and create a space where you and your loved ones can gather, relax, and enjoy the season. Happy decorating, and may your home be filled with warmth, love, and the spirit of fall.